G'day and welcome to this episode of Fucking About in the Shed with Matt. Today I'm having a look at something automotive as a bit of a change up. You can see here I've got the wiper blades off my car, and we are as consumers led to believe that these two things here are somehow a bargain at like $70, which I don't know, they clip on pretty easy. Maybe the time saved is worth that. I'm inclined to think that the only bit that needs replacing when they don't work properly is the rubber. As such, I'm going to show you how I change the rubber on these, and this costs about $3 a blade, thereabouts. We have a clip here on the end. We'll need to remove one of them. These have been done before, so they will be a little bit easier than perhaps the first time you do them. And it's just a matter of getting a screwdriver in here and undoing that little bit and sliding that off. Pop that up. And there we go. And that will slide out. So we've taken the clip off. Easy as that. We now have a way of removing the shitty bit of rubber. I've got two lengths of new rubber here, and we carefully put that into the thing. Keep our cover on, slide you all the way along, up to there. Get out our little cutters, pull it a tiny little bit out, 2 mil. Cut the excess off, and then poke that back in there. Oops. Right, so now we've got that, and then we get our clip, and we put that back on, finagle it into place, and there we go. Right, that took a few minutes and cost $3, and I'll do the other one and I'm good to go. I have two sets of this style of blade for my vehicle. The other set at this end here, or at both ends, in the metal guides or locating strips, there is a notch, and I can quite literally pull it back about this far and fold it up and slide it out without even having taken the end cap off. The first time I did that one, they were bonded in, so it was a bit of a pain the first time, but the other set takes less time to do than this. So there you go. Hope that helps. Hope it saves you a few bucks. Thanks for watching. If you found that useful, chuck me a like and or a subscribe. That'll be excellent. Meantime, have a fabulous day. If you have a look here, this is one of the ones where it's going to be super easy. So I can take it out of the notch there. That'll slide all the way out. I've left that cover on. I'll get my fresh bit of rubber, finagle that into place, slidey, slide, and we can see the gap here at the other end. We slide it so it goes past. We've got a reference point here about where we want to cut it. Fold that out, bit of a cut, push it back into place. That side took less time anyway.